Today I want to talk to you about financial offense. Financial offense. I just finished watching Brazil beat Costa Rica. 7 minutes into the deal, I'm like, there's no way Costa Rica wins this, okay? 48 minutes, it's going to be impossible. It was still 0-0. It will be impossible for Costa Rica to win, even though the refs, and by the way, this is all about life right here, right now. Even though the refs were making consistently bad calls against Brazil, I knew that Costa Rica would win. How do I know that? Even though the calls were bad, okay? Literally 90 minutes into the game, I am still confident. I think it was 88 minutes into the game. 0-0, I become more and more confident that Brazil will beat Costa Rica. The score ended up 2-0, Brazil. Why was I right? Because Brazil was on offense the entire game. So I know a lot of you guys in America don't like hockey or soccer because you're like, dude, it's just too slow, dude. It's too slow. Dude, the game's unbelievable. Okay? Terrible game if you're not on offense. Same thing with money. If you want money, you have to get on offense, okay? I was brought up to stay on defense in my finances. If you play defense in finances, not only will you never have money, even if you did have it, you would be one of those people that nobody likes. You don't want to be that guy. Why is it? By the way, I was that guy. And every time I come to you and talk to you and share with you a show, anytime I'm talking to you about anything, anytime any of you see me slamming on somebody, if you think I'm talking about somebody else, you're wrong. It's always me I'm talking about. I only share experiences I've had. I was that guy. Okay, I was the mooch. What do you call him again? Tacaño. Tacaño, cheap bastard. I was that guy for 20 years because I was playing defense with my finances. I was brought up to play defenses with my finances. My mother taught me to play defense with my finances. You know why? Because she did not know how to play offense. I was watching an old Sugar Ray Leonard, Roberto Duran fight. It was the third time they met. Roberto Duran, the entire fight, all 12 rounds, was doing nothing but playing defense. You cannot win a boxing match if you're not on offense. You cannot win a soccer game if you're not on offense. And you will not win the finance game playing defense. What does defense look like to this guy? This guy's saving money. Okay? He won't spend money. He probably measures ROI on everything. He looks at everything from what's the return going to be? What's the deal going to be? These are mistakes, by the way. I'm going to spend 3 hours talking about this in Miami next Friday, live, right here in Miami. I'm going to spend 3 hours talking about how do you get out of this mooch mode. What do you call it again? Tacaña. How do you get out of the tacaña mode? Out of mooch mode, out of defense mode, okay? The Millionaire Next Door, the book Millionaire Next Door, literally misguided hundreds of millions of people. Save your way to being a millionaire. Folks, you don't want to be a millionaire, okay? And you don't want to save your way to get there because the millionaire that saves their money and won't spend their money is not even using money for the very purpose it was created. Money is to be used, not stored. Okay? The reason I'm having financial success in my life today is not because I play defense, but because I spend my time on offense. I wake up in the morning with a goal. Hey, what is my financial target today? 2. The rest of the day I spend saying, who's got my money? I spend all my time saying, who's got my money? Who's got my money? And the third thing I do is I invest my money. Okay? We have 7 businesses here today. I have one of these 7 businesses that will make me more money for the next 100 years than the other 6 combined did in their entire career. Why? Because it's indestructible wealth. So you got to have a goal. That's offense, right? I'm trying to get the ball in the net. If I'm trying to get the ball in the net, I can't play defense. I need to move the ball to the other side of the field and kick into the net. Brazil had 16 attempts on a net. Costa Rica had 1 attempt. You can't win playing defense. You have to kick. which means you got to go for it. You got to use money, okay? So you need a goal, then you need to go, hey man, how do I use money to get money? How do I get some money from somebody and use that money to then invest in something that will reproduce money? When you take money and put it in the bank, you know what it produces? Nothing. If you're down to cutting corners to make sense of something, don't buy it. If you're having to lease something for extra 12 months to afford it, it's the wrong thing to do, okay? Quit doing it. Like, I don't put my money in anything that doesn't make money. I'll tell you right now, if it doesn't make me money, if it doesn't have the potential to get me a score, I'm not running the ball down the field. I don't lose money, man, okay? Look, I go out and I don't lose time either. I go to the marketplace to get money. I have a goal every day, okay? I have a goal monthly. I have a goal annually. I have a goal over my lifetime. If I want to do the math on something, I do the math, okay? I've done this my whole life. I did it on 100 grand. I did it on 1 million, my first million. I did it on 100 million, okay? And now I'm doing it, since I've accomplished these, I'm going to do it on 1 billion. This is how you set goals. The goal is this, man, I want to make $1 billion. How many people do I need to contact on the planet? First, an achievable goal. Is it achievable? So then I do the math. I'm like, wait a minute, man, how could I do it? Oh, if 10,000 people, if 100,000 people, how many is it? Yeah, if 100,000 people gave me $10,000, I would have $1 billion. Now the question is, now that I got the billion, how do I keep it? And how do I not go to jail? Like you can't just take people's money and not give them something back. Oh wow, what could I invest in so I don't lose the money? I don't want to lose the money, so I need to put the money in something where it's not at risk, where I'm not speculating, where I don't lose my reputation. My dad used to tell me, son, if you want to have good things in life, never ruin one thing, your reputation. Once you ruin your reputation, man, you're going to spend all your time and energy and money trying to fix your reputation. So you guys see me every day. Everything I do is out there in the open, wide open. I buy a plane, you get to see it. I buy an office building, you get to see it. I'm buying this office right now. Anything you see with me, with my kids, with my money, a conference, this isn't make-believe. This is real, okay? I showed you, how do I make 100 grand when I'm broke? How do I make $100,000? Oh, I need 1,000 people to give me $100. I need to get people to know me, okay? You see, what you guys do is y'all go, I gotta get an app. I gotta build an app. My friend over, the barber over here, Javier, I gotta build an app, I'm gonna build an app. Dude, you don't need to build anything. You need to go talk to people. That's why I go to conferences. That's why I do conference. That's why we're about to take 10X Growth Conference to all major cities in the United States. Why? Because I want to meet you guys. You guys come up to me and you're like, can I take a photo? Please take a photo with me. I want the photo, man. I need to meet you guys. I want to meet you. Why do you think I opened the fund up? Because I want to meet people. My name's Grant Cardone. You are in the Cardone Zone, where I wake you up, I shake you up, I punch you in the face, but mostly, I'm that good uncle.